Good morning, grade 8.
Good morning.
Today we are going to make a revision sheet 2 for in semester 1 for our lesson, which is about powers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we will start. During this week, we have covered the following topics: how we calculate different powers, know and use rules of powers, know the powers of 10, know the rules of powers of 10, how we expand a number using the powers of 10, and how we write the scientific notation of a number. Now we will start with exercise number 1. Please read the question, Hassan.
Complete the following table.
Yes, start with the first one.
8 times 8 times 8 equal 8 power 3.
8 to the power 3.
The base is 8.
The base is 8.
Exponent 3.
The exponent is 3. The next one, Ali.
The next one, 4 times 4 equal 4 exponent 2.
4 times 4, its answer is what, Ali?
16.
Its answer is 16. What's the base?
4.
The base is 4. Exponent 2. Badia. Now we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How can we calculate this, Badia?
We multiply 2 to the power 6.
Yeah, it gives me how much? What's the answer? Yes, Serena?
64.
Look, Badia, we have 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So the first 3 2's gives me 8, right? The next ones, 2 times 2 times 2 also gives me 8. What is 8 times 8, Badia? So 8 times 8 is 64. How can we write it as a power, Badia? It's written 2 to the power 6. What is the base?
2.
The exponent is 6. Now, Muhammad. We have two numbers multiplied together that will give me 36. If we look at the second box, it's 6 to the power 2. It's 6 to the power 2. So what are the two numbers multiplied together that gives me? It is 6 times 6. What's the base, Muhammad? The base is 6 and the exponent is
2.
The exponent is 2. Now, exercise number 2, we should calculate the following powers. Dana, 2 cube is written
2 times 2 times 2 equals 8.
2 times 2 times 2 equals, Dana?
8.
8. Selena, 7 squared.
7 times 7 equals 49.
It's 7 times 7 equals 49. Yes, Ala, 13 to the power 0. Why does 13 to the power 0 give you 1, Ala? Yes, any number to the power 0 will give us 1. Yes, Hassan, 10 to the power 5.
10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equal
1 and how many zeros? Yes, because it is a power of 10, so we write it 1 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now 5 to the power 4, Badia. How can we write 5 to the power 4?
5 times 5 times 5 times 5 equals 625.
Times 5 equals 625. If we multiply 5 times 5, it will give me 25. Then if we multiply 5 times 5, it will give us another 25. 25 times 25 is 625. Yes, Muhammad. 279 to the power 1.
Equal to 179.
Why?
Because any number to the power 1
Equal gives me the same number. Now, 1 to the power 1998. Yes, Ala. It gives us 1. 1590, Ali, to the power 0. It gives us 1. 9726 to the power 1, Dana, gives us 9726. Yes. Yes, Serena. 863 to the power 0 gives us 1. 9 squared, Badia.
9 times 9 equals 81.
9 times 9, it is equal to 81. 3 cubed, Hassan.
3 times 3 equal 27.
Equals, yes, 27. Now, Ali, 0.75 to the power 0. It is 1 because any number to the power 0 gives us 1. Ala, 4 cubed. 4 times 4 times 4. Yes, it is equal to 64. Okay? Now, exercise number 3, we should perform the following. In the following question, we should use the powers of 10. Do you still remember the powers of 10?
Yes.
If we have the same base, what do we do for the power? Yes. Now we have ala 2 to the power 0 times 2 to the power 4. Why is it 2 to the power 4? Yes, because if we added the powers 0 plus 4, it gives us 4. Now, Muhammad, 4 to the power 4 times 4.
Equals 4 to the power 5.
Why is it 4 to the power 5?
Because 4 plus 5 equals
4 plus 1, yes, gives me 5. Now, Dana, 0.75 to the power 4 times 0.75 to the power 7.
The base still as it is 0.75.
Yes, we write the base as it is.
And we add the exponent.
Yes, 4 plus 7?
11.
11, thank you. Ali, 3 over 5 cubed times 3 over 5 squared.
Write the 3 over 5 between parentheses.
Yes, because this is the base. We said that the base might be a whole number, it might be a decimal number, it might be a fraction. So the base here is what?
3 over 5.
It is a 3 over 5 to the power
5.
to the power 5. So it is 3 over 5 to the power 5.
And now we write the 3 exponent 5.
Yes, it is a 3 exponent 5 and 5 exponent 5. Yes, thank you, Ali. Now 2 squared times 3 squared, Selena. How can we write this multiplication? Open parentheses.
2 times 3.
2 times 3.
All to the power
All to the power of 2. What does this give us?
6 to the power.
Yes, it is 6 squared.
Equal to 36.
6 squared is equal to 36. Now 5 times 3 cubed, Badia.
3 to the power 20. 3 to the power 20.
5 times 3 cubed.
5 times 3 cubed.
What do we do? What do we do? We multiply.
We multiply 5 times 3.
What is 5 times 3?
15.
It is 15, and we raise it
15 to the power 3.
to the exponent 3. Yeah, we'll be back. Now 3 over 5, all of it squared, Hassan. How can we write 3 over 5, all of it squared?
Equal 3 power 2.
3 power 2,
5 power 2.
5 power 2
Equal 1.
equals
Over
3 power 2, it is 9 over,
25.
yes, because 5 squared is, 25. Okay? Now, 4 over 7 to the power 11. How can we write it, Muhammad? 4 over 7 to the power 11. How can we write it?
Equal 4 to the power 11.
4 to the power 11 over,
7 to the power.
yes, thank you, Muhammad. Now, Selena, minus 1 to the power 6.
Equal to positive 1 because the exponent is even.
Exponent even, so it is 1. Minus 2 squared, Ala.
2 power 2.
Why is it 4?
Because even
Negative to the even exponent, it gives us positive, so it is 4. Minus 1 to the power 9, Badia. What's the answer?
Negative 1.
Minus 1, why?
Because 9 is odd number.
9 is odd. Now 3 to the power 4, all of it to the power 5, Dana.
4 times 5 equal to
What's the base?
6.
The base is a 3, and we multiply 4 times 5.
Equal 20.
It is 20, because if we multiply 4 times 5, it will give us exponent 20. Now 7 to the power 0, all of it to the power 0, Ali.
When you multiply 0 by 7 equal 1, equal 0.
So it is 7 to the power 0 which is equal to 1. If we multiply 0 times 7, it gives us power 0. Now minus 3 squared, Ala.
Equal minus 9.
Why is it minus 9? We have a positive exponent.
Because the minus.
We have an even exponent.
Because the minus is not for the.
Yeah, because the exponent is not for the minus, it's only for the 3, so it is minus 9. Minus 1 to the power 8, Hassan. The answer is?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 also, because the minus has nothing to do with the exponent. 3 squared times 3 squared, Badia. The answer is?
We put parentheses and 5 times 2.
5. We have no 3 squared times 3 squared.
3 to the power 4.
This is 3 to the power 4 equals to 81. Now, Muhammad, 5 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 4. Look at the board. 5 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 4. How can we write it?
5 to the power 4 times 5 times 2 equals 10.
5 times 2, all of it to the power 4. So it is equal. 5 times 2 is? 10 to the power 4. How can we write 10 to the power 4, Muhammad?
Power 4 equal 1.
Yeah?
4 zeros.
Yes, 1 and 4 zeros. Thank you. Now question number 4. Have you all got question number 3? Any question?
No.
Question number 4 now. We should complete the missing. We have Hassan 2 to the power 7 times.
2 to the power 2.
Yes, 2 to the power 2. It is equal to the power 2 to the power 9. How did you get 9, Hassan?
We 7 plus 2 equals.
We add the power 7 plus 2 because we have the same base. Yes, Ali. We have 7 exponent 5 times 7 exponent 3 is equal to 7 exponent 8. Yes, Badia. 2 over 7 exponent 4. Now, Dana. 9 over 11 cubed equal
9 to the power 3.
9 to the power 3
And 11 to the power 3.
over 11 to the power 3. Now, what do we have now? Okay, 11 to the power 3. Now we move to the next. Now exercise number 5. We should write the following in the form of powers of 10. Yes, Ala. 10 squared times 10 to the power 5.
10.
How did you get 7?
2 times 5.
2 times?
Plus.
Yes, we add because we have the same base, so we add the exponents. 10 to the power 4 times 10, Selena.
It's equal to 10 to the power of 5 because 4 plus 5.
Yes, because the power is 1 and we add 4 plus 1. Now 10 cubed times 10 to the power 7, Muhammad. The answer is?
10 to the power 10.
10. Why 10, Muhammad?
Because 10 times 10 equals 10.
No, the base is 10, so it stays 10. How did you get the power 10? We add the exponent 3 plus 7. Now we have 100 times 100, Ali. What is 100 as a power of 10? So 100 is 10 to the power 2. What's the other 100? Yes, so we have 10 exponent 2 times 10 exponent 2. So it is 10 exponent 4. We add 2 plus 2. Now, Badia, 10 to the power minus 2 times 10 to the power minus 3. The answer is?
10 to the power negative 5.
Yes, 10 to the power negative 5. 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power minus 3, Hassan. The answer is?
10 power 3.
3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, Selena, 10 to the power minus 7 times 10 to the power 4 times 10 cubed.
10 stays the base.
The base is 10.
And then
We multiply or we add? We add minus 7 plus 4
negative 3.
plus 3. 0, so it is 10 to the power 0. Here you should not write 10 to the power 0 equal 1 because the question is we should write in the form of powers of 10. So we should leave it 10 to the power 0, okay? Now 10 to the power 6, Dana, over 10 to the power minus 3.
The base is 10.
The base is 10.
And 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Now up we have 6 and down we have minus 3. What should we do here? We should take the minus 3 from down to up. So we change the sign. So it becomes 10 to the power 6 plus 3. Right, Dana? When we take the power from down, if it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative. 10 to the power 6 plus 3 is 10 to the power 9. Okay, Dana? Now we have Badia 1 over 0.00001. How can we write it? 1 over
10 to the power negative 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. Yes. How can we write this also?
10 to the power minus 5.
Down it is 10 to the power minus 5. If you get it up, it becomes 10 to the power
10 to the power 5.
Yes, 10 to the power 5, right? Now 10 to the power 5 over 10 cubed, Muhammad. It is 10 to the power Yes, 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3, Muhammad? So it is 10 to the power 2. Now, Hassan, 10 squared, all of it cubed.
We multiply two.
We multiply 2 times the 3. It becomes, so it is 10 to the power 6. Now, Ali, 10 squared, all of it to the power minus 4.
Equal minus 3.
So we multiply 2 times minus 4, it is 10 to the power minus 8. 10 to the power minus 3, all of it to the power minus 2, Ala. The answer is?
10 over 6.
Why? Because we multiply minus 3 times minus 2.
Skipped 1.
Okay, now 10 to the power 5 to the power minus 3. It is, yeah, Ali?
10 to the power minus 5.
Minus 15, yes. We return to the one we skipped. 10 to the power minus 5 times 10 to the power minus 1, Selena?
10 to the power minus 6.
Yes, it is 10 to the power minus 6. Thank you. Now, exercise number 6, we should write in expanded form. If we are expanding a whole number, Ya Hassan, from where do we start? From the ones, so we should start from 7. All of you, you should make an arrow from where you are starting, okay? Yes, Hassan, tell me, what's the expanded form of this?
10 power 0.
Yes, 7 times 10 to the power 0.
Plus 1 times 10 to the power 1.
Yes.
Plus 9 times 10 power 2.
Yes.
Plus 5 times 10 power 3.
Times 10 to the power 3. Thank you. We are multiplying each digit according to its unit, okay? Now we have 85.042. It is a whole number or a decimal number? This is a decimal number. From where should we start, Badia?
From the 5.
From the 5, which is the ones. Yes, tell me, what's the expanded form?
5 times 10 to the power 0.
Yes.
Times 8 to the power
Times or plus?
Plus.
Yes.
8 times 10 to the power 1.
Continue, Ala, plus?
Plus 4.
The 0, yani it's not necessary to multiply the 0 by 10 to the power minus 1. So 4
times 10 times 2.
to the power 2 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because this is the decimal part. In the decimal part, we multiply by negative powers of 10. Plus Ala?
2 times 10
minus 3. Now, exercise number 7, we should write the scientific notation. Yes, Hassan. 670 should be written as scientific notation.
6.7
So we write 6.7
times 10 power 2.
10 to the power
2.
2, yes. Because the first number should be between 1 and 10, okay? Now 18 times 10 to the power 4, Dana.
1.8
1.8
times 10 to the power 5.
Yes, times 10 to the power 5. Now, Ali, 3 squared times 2 times 10 squared. What should we do first? We calculate 3 squared times 2. So, what is 3 squared times 2? It is 9. So we should we should now do 9 times 10 squared. It is written. So what's the answer?
No, the 3 exponent 2 is 9 and the 9
times 2
is 18.
So it is 18. Okay. 18 times 10 squared,
We want to do 1.8
1.8
times 10 exponent 3.
times 10 exponent 3. Now 32.45 Badia, we write it.
3.245
3.245
multiply 10 to the power 1.
times 10 to the power
1.
times 10 to the power 1. Okay, yeah. Now we have 18 to the power 4. We should write in the simplest form 18 to the power 4 times 10 cubed over 12 squared times 15 to the power 4. Yes, Hassan.
18, we make it 6 power 4 times 3 power 4. 10.
It's easier to write it 9 times 2, right? What is 9 times 9? It's a 3 squared times 2, all of it to the power 4. What is 10 cubed?
2 times 5.
2 times 5 cubed. What is 12 down?
2 times 6.
Or
2 times
4 times 3. What is 4? It is 2 squared times 3, all of it squared. What's 15 to the power 4? It's a 3 times 5 to the power 4. Now let's write these on one fraction, okay? So we have 3 squared to the power 4.
3 to the power 8.
It is 3 to the power 8 times 2 to the power 4.
Times 2 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 3.
With us, Muhammad? Are you with us?
Yes.
Yes. Down, we write
2 to the power 4.
2 to the power 4
3 to the power
times 3 to the power 2
times 3 to the power 4.
3 to the power 4
Times 5 to the power 4.
times 5 to the power 4. Now we should see if we have the same bases. Do we have the same bases up?
2 and
2 to the power
1.
7 times 3 to the power 8 times 5 cubed. Down 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 6 times 5 to the power 4 equal 2 to the power 7 over 2 to the power 4.
7 minus 4.
Up we have 2 to the power 3. Up we have 3 to the power 8. Down we have 3 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 2. 5 cubed, 5 to the power 4. Up or down?
Down.
Down we have 5. Okay? So this is the answer. Thank you.